Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows can't find a computer or device named Fix in Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Optional Features, click More Windows Features. Check all options SMB, CIFS file sharing support. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Turn on network discovery and file and printer sharing. Also turn on password protected sharing under all networks. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.